Welcome to Vacation Diaries. We went to the coolest museum at Brea Tarpits. I saw so many skeletons at the Tarpits. These animals were from the Ice Age. I learned so much about these fossils. Moving and it was just a robot. From the ground slot to the flying creatures, it was a real adventure. Is this a jaguar and a saber-toothed tiger? We saw the saber-toothed tiger and so many more animals. Look at the teeth of this creature. Saber-toothed tiger. This is the mother and the baby. So the mother wants to eat the baby. I was so excited to see all the animals in the museum. Creature from so many thousand years old. There are birds, jaguars, sloths, there are so many animals. After this we headed back out. I'm gonna take you to many cool places. Places to hang out in. I'm Daria and you're watching Vacation Diaries. I'm in LA. I love LA and it's so exciting. There are so many places to go. I love LA and the sunshine. On a TMZ tour.
This is TMZ, exactly the same as the TV show. This is the backside of Jimmy Kimmel over here.
We drove outside the studios and could see inside.
All right, our first introduction is for what? Facebook or something? YouTube, okay. All right.
And this is actually where the very first Academy Award ceremony took place back in 1929.
The Roosevelt Hotel was cool. I loved it because it had the best chocolate milkshake. There was so much red. In Hollywood, we walked outside to see all the cool stores. We saw many famous places on the tour.
Sunset Plaza, feeling swaggier,
where Janis Joplin used to perform, Led Zeppelin, Jimi Hendrix, Metallica, Motley Crue, and The Doors were the house band here for a number of years. So
most historic rock and roll venues in all of Hollywood is the Troubadour.